Crazy holiday sweater. Materials: construction paper, glue, pencil, scissors to use with a grown-up's help, tape, hole punch, glitter, thread. Optional materials: holiday cards, stickers, jewels. Fold a piece of paper in half. At the fold line, draw half of a shirt including a long sleeve. Cut it out and unfold. Use the hole punch and add a hole at the top of the shirt or sweater. Use items you have around your house, like holiday cards, stickers, and jewels to decorate your crazy holiday sweater. You can even add puzzle pieces to your sweater. Arrange the items on your sweater however you want. The possibilities of what you can create are endless. You can use glue and glitter to add more decorations to your sweater. Add thread through the hole at the top of the sweater and create a loop. Now you have a crazy holiday sweater. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseumAtHome.